Today we are going to talk about firmware or how to upgrade firmware. So before upgrading firmware, first we should know what is firmware. Firmware looks like actually like BIOS, right? So we sometimes upgrade our BIOS from website using USB stick, right? So today we are also going to upgrade our MikroTik firmware. So how we can upgrade MikroTik firmware? So let's log into the MikroTik router. Then you can just go to system. There is an option is RouterBOOT. RouterBOOT. Then you can see actually current firmware 6.45.6 and you can upgrade it 6.46.6. so there is also option to upgrade, right? 45 to 46. Okay, just click upgrade and yes. Then for firmware upgrade successfully, we need to reboot our MikroTik router. Just go to the system, then press reboot, then just yes. Then log in our MikroTik router and check. Now current firmware 6.46.6, also upgrade firmware 6.46.6. So firmware upgradation successfully completed. Thank you for watching.